Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. I am going to fast forward you through the coloring of this So Much Fun card, which uses stamps from Paper Smooches. It is a scene card. The die is from my favorite things. So I hope that you will enjoy this video, and I will see you at the end with some still pictures. Friends, this is the finished panel for my card, and I'm going to put it together and then I will show you what it looks like when it's complete. Thank you so much everyone for watching my progress video of making this window scene card. And there's the inside. It will just say Happy Holidays or something like that. Right now it's too wet really to stamp inside. This will look much different when it is dry, and if it does, I will post a picture and put it in at the end of this video. If you haven't and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that little bell if you'd like to be notified via email when I upload videos. Be happy and be a blessing. Share my videos on your social media. Bye for now.